My name is Ishan.
My name is Kaushik.
Our project is a smart parking system using RFID. Introduction. The smart parking system using RFID and Arduino is an innovation solution to automate parking management. Traditional parking system relies on human supervision. We can cause long queue, errors and unauthorized access. This project uses radio frequent identification integrated with an Arduino microcontroller to manage vehicle access efficiently. Each vehicle is provided an RFID card that acts as an electronic key. When the card is scanned, the Arduino checks the ID. If it matches the database, the gate opens automatically and the LCD displays access granted. Unauthorized card shows access denied, keeping the parking area secure and efficient. Materials used: Arduino Uno, RFID, LCD display, servo motor, jumper wires, and power supply. Working principle: when the system is powered on, the LCD displays a welcome message and waits for an RFID card to be scanned. Once the card is scanned, the RFID readers reads the card's unique ID and send it to the Arduino. The Arduino compares this ID with pre-stored IDs in its memory. If the ID matches, the LCD displays access granted and the servo motor rotates to open the gate. If not, access denied is displayed and the gate remains closed. This ensures only registered users can access the parking area securely. Advantages: automated vehicle entry and exit system. Elements human errors and it detects waiting time. Provides secure access using RFID technology. Low cost and easy to implement using Arduino. Improves parking management efficiently. Application: shopping malls and multi parking areas, residential or office complex, universities and school parking zones, smart city vehicles management system. Thank you.